In this video, I will show you how to install and use my big colorful creative titles pack for Premiere Pro 2021 coming up. After downloading this big creative colorful titles pack, you will get a zip file something like this, and you need to first extract this zip file using any unzip software like WinRR or 7zip. I'm using WinRR in this case, so right click and select the extract to big creative colorful titles. Alright, and then you will get all of these Moget files. So these are 10 Moget files and one is a font file. So inside it you will have the fonts which are used in this project. So you need to just go to these links and download these fonts. These are absolutely free fonts. Just download these and install it, and then you have the option of this license. So it shows you something about this. This is more information about this pack. All right, so once you did that, thereafter just launch the Premiere Pro and then go to the essential graphics panel. If it is not shown over here, go to the Windows and select the essential graphics. That way it would be available. And the very important thing which I want to tell you, that this works with Adobe Premiere Pro version 2021 15.0 and later version. So if you have the previous version, this might not work. All right, so you have to have the Premiere Pro 2021 in order to make it work. And then in the essential graphics panel, just click on this hamburger menu, which is this one, and thereafter you need to click on the manage additional folders, and this kind of a dialog box would be open, and thereafter you just need to click on the add, and then you need to browse that downloaded folder, and thereafter once you select that folder or browse that folder, click on the select folder, and that way this would be available right over here inside these list. And thereafter you need to just press the OK button, and then you will see these titles right over here on the browse option. So if you just drag it down, you will see somewhere around here, but if you don't see, just search for big creative colorful, and that way all of these titles pack would be available right over here. So in order to use them, you can just simply drag and drop right over here. So in this case I have dropped this over here. Okay, so this is the pack, and let me show you the second one to customize it. So this is the first one, and let me drag my mouse right over here. So if you go to the edit option, you have the option to change this first text. So I can change it to something else like be creative, and then we can change its font, whether we want it to be regular, bold or italic. So if you want, you can make it bold and you can make it italic as well from here. Okay, and you can change its size as well. You can make it larger or smaller with the help of this. Okay, and we can even change its position, so we can change it to anything else. We can change its position X and Y. We can scale it. Okay, again I have shown you. And then we have the second text, so we can change it to something else like big creative now, and we can again make it smaller, and let's adjust its position, okay, to something like this. And then we have the option to change this image. So basically this masking effect inside this creative text is controlled by this one, so you can replace it with the image or videos. So in this case I'll show you how to use this video. So if I just drag it over here, this has been immediately replaced by the video. So if you just play it right now, you can see this is now having a different effect. All right, and then we have the option to change all of these parameters. We can scale it to fill, scale to fit, and we can stress to fill, and we can even scale it down and all this. But by default it's scale to fill, works just fine. And then we can change this background text as well, this big text. So this is creative, so we can change it to like something else like Harshvardhan. and that would be changed immediately over here. We can even adjust its font from here, so you can change its font and you can scale it down, and you can change its X and Y value. So you can just make it something like this. Alright, and then we have the option of scaling it, so we can make it smaller or larger depending on your liking. And then we have the option to change the background colors as well. So if you go bottom, you will see the start color and the end color. So if we click on this and let's make it this color, and let's change the second color to something like this. Alright, so now we have the different color. So if we just play it through, this is how it looks. Alright, so you can similarly customize each and every of these titles. So you can see we have the different titles and with different colorful background as well, and most of the colors are already been added, but if you don't want to use these colors, you can customize them according to your liking. So let me tell you once again, you can download this pack absolutely free from the link in the description section below for the limited time, and this pack is part of my best seamless transition pack for Premiere Pro, which has the 200 plus transitions and elements, and you can download that at 70% off right now, and more elements are being added to that every week. So you can download that pack at 70% off right now. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you.